Introduce short overview with pictures or video. This is video introduce about Still We Rise, a love letter to the Southern Biscuit with over 70 sweet and savory recipes. Short overview include: Still We Rise is a tribute to the glories of flour, butter, and buttermilk baked tall, tender, and flaky. Erica Council is the founder and head baker of the renowned Baum Biscuit Company in Atlanta, Georgia. The granddaughter of legendary soul food chef Mildred, Mama Dip, Council, and a teacher and activist who cooked and baked to support the civil rights movement. Erica knows all about the power of the persistent biscuit. Here, Erica has perfected traditional biscuit types alongside inventive new creations. Her recipes connect readers to stories of the family, friends, and Southern culinary icons who instilled in her a love of baking. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.